What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Flexcoin from Opnx. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps so you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account, it's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is being listed here, the Flexcoin, ticker symbol Flex from Opnx. Is being listed March 14th, it says, 14 hours UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc referral code down there. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, search Flex, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So if you go on to at Mexc_global, you can find a bunch of tweets here. But one of them will be about this new event that they have, this announcement page for this token that's coming out, the Flexcoin. So they do all sorts of giveaways on Mexc Global's Twitter here. But one of the, if you scroll down, one of the ones right here. Okay, so it says, vote with MX to win 28,222 Flex airdrops. So there's a voting period between March 14th at 6 o'clock UTC time and 11:50 UTC time, March 14th. You can vote with MX tokens to win some Flex airdrops. And then there is a page here, somewhere on this page here. There's one about, oh, here it is right here, the Kickstarter event, Mexc Flex airdrop coins. So they do have a full white paper. You can find their white paper listed on the Mexc announcement page. Their official webpage is opnx.com. They have an Etherscan on here. They have their Twitter at opnx_official. Telegram is at Coinflex_en, and they also have a Discord. According to their Etherscan, right now they have 1,233 Flexcoin holders. Price is about $1.50 per token. 18 decimal places on this token, and there's a total supply here, 61,438,739.8 tokens. So it says Coinflex is the process of evolving itself technology-wise to be able to offer the same access to customers, connect your crypto account, deposit funds into a smart contract, not controlled by a Coinflex or any single party, and trade central exchange style perps, spots, and futures in a DEX style custody and clearing setup. So that's what it says about the Flexcoin on Mexc Global's announcement page. Now, if you want to find more information, you click on their white paper. That will take you over to cdnm.coinflex.com. They have a 14-page white paper. It's not too extensive or anything like that. So Coinflex, let's see here. The process of self-evolving. Connect your crypto account, deposit funds into a smart contract, not controlled by anyone. It says defies inherent advantage. It goes over why decentralized finance is superior. It goes over that. The problems with centralized exchanges and the KYC process, counterparty risk, account closures, getting hacked, risky investments, bankruptcy, all that type of stuff. And then the solutions that Coinflex is going to have to solve these problems. So centralized matching, decentralized clearing, and custody. Coinflex is in the final stages of building out a decentralized clearing and custody setup where users can sign up with MetaMask or any Ethereum-based crypto wallet and trade on Coinflex without any additional friction, providing access to our spot perpetual futures and quarterly futures contract markets. This includes users in jurisdictions such as the U.S. who have historically been overlooked and underserved by the crypto derivatives industry. So how are we able to do this? It goes over custody, MSB, VASP, futures trading, CFTC, note tokens, all sorts of things on here. Will Coinflex become a honeypot for money launderers? It says no. Coinflex will still continue to use blockchain analysis tools like chain analysis to detect if funds are coming from illicit actors. Also, what if the regulators change policies regarding MSBs and VASPs? Fortunately, policy changes and regulatory actions are never rushed by regulators, so they'll be able to foresee it coming, make changes. Now, they have Smart BCH on here that goes through proof of work, scalability, and compatibility, which is basically Smart Bitcoin Cash. They use that on here. It says in a summary why they're using it is vastly more scalable smart contract chain than Ethereum, secured by proof of work on the most powerful computer network on Earth, and 100% compatible with ETH dApps. So yeah, tons of stuff on here. Let's scroll down to the tokenomics here. So they have a Flex DAO anyways. They're going to have the automated market maker, the time lock, governance, tokenomics. Max total supply of this token is 100 million tokens. And there's they're going to have some burning, so it's deflationary. Some amount will be paid to stakers on here. And they have mining pools, third-party integrations, and then they have links to a lot of different socials. They have a Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube channel, Instagram, and this token is available on Uniswap as well, but soon it will be available on Mexc Global. They just made the announcement. You can get the Flexcoin on there March 14th, so check out that Mexc referral code down there. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about Flexcoin and Opnx? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.